You are going to love the 2025 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cold weather package, heated front seats, power windows. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.